Previously in part 1.
I've got Hatchery Public the way up towards you.
So we've lost them already on this unit.
Controlling its speed by using the engine brake.
So as we head over to our second lane on the Marlborough Downs, Ben and James there checking over the cars to make sure there's no external damage. And yet I am still on my feet running across, well, this vastness of the Marlborough Downs. Going on an extensive jog to get in front of the two cars to test how far these CBs go. Right, short range stubby antenna, here we go. Are you receiving? It's on the thunder pole. No, so we got a Roger beep. I got a Roger beep, I can see the tops of the cars. Whoops. I think I'm gonna have to go to the long range antenna, I think. There we go. Yeah. Real telescopic this thing. Okay, back on. Let's try again. Right, I'm on the long range antenna now, telescopic.
Oh, looks better now. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, loud and clear. That's made hell of a difference.
Oh, different curves as well. That's the thing, you know.
Yeah, I lost you way back using the stubby, so yeah, they're not very good, those short range ones.
With it.
I can see the tops of the cars, so I'm going to keep going for a moment.
See me up line of sight on you.
Right, let's keep going. It does get rutted in some places, so just be careful.
Yeah, we're covering up back.
My aim is to get up there in the distance. So if we can do that, we're doing good. Put my jogging skills to the test. Sun's come out, it's really nice now. The rain is starting to disappear. So yeah, it's a good day. It's a good day. There is a few deep ruts.
Well, it's really good to go on the main track, but swinging the right the next track will probably be it.
So still picking them up really well. So we keep going. Still using the thunder pole. It's proven to be really good so far. I have stuck on the long range telescopic antenna. Took off the stubby off here. And that's made a massive improvement. Those stubby antennas, they're okay, but
Oh, CB, would that hook up to the antenna on the disco?
no, because the antenna on here is a BNC.
You haven't got the adapter now?
No. Struggling to a Ben actually. Ben French, are you receiving over?
Yes, loud and clear, thank you.
Oh, very good. Very good, that was very loud and clear. They still haven't appeared yet, so I've made some good ground on them. As we're going up this hill now towards some trees and more hedgerow, so I think they're just going to have to be careful because of the diffs.
Yeah, what's that one? I can help it.
I can just see you in the distance. I'm nearer my destination, so we are heading up this hill. Going back into the tree line. Cars are slowly catching me up now. My walking pace has decreased, but I'm hoping to make some ground on them as I go up through here, because they're going to have to navigate these ruts. So yeah, it's just to communicate back then and see what's what. Just to let you know, so the hedge line starts to come in a bit, but I don't think it's any worse than what we've been through before. I got no Roger beat there, so I did hear some chatter. Actually, it's okay, actually, this isn't too bad at all, look at this. It's a nice little lane. Looks like a really okay lane. Not heavily overgrown. What we drove through at the start, the trees were quite low. So you just have to be careful with the CB antennas, especially on the disco. But we're going higher now. Oh, I can feel it on my legs. God, this is really long, this lane. My goodness. Okay. Oh yeah, I can see you two in the distance. I'm in the top now. So, they are all the way down there. Let's do a check. Mr. French, are you receiving ever?
Yes, loud and clear.
Loud and clear. Really good clarity on this thunder pole. Very good, really loud and clear. Is everything okay down there?
Okay, on this bit. Relatively left of, I'll see, because there's like 2 lanes to pick from. I'm stuck relatively left. Okay, then I'll give that a go. That looked like the barrel. Sorry, there's just a couple of tracks you get picked from coming down there. Some are better than others, just where the air grooves are.
Okay, yeah, I can see you two slowly wandering up. Really good clarity coming through on the radio, really clear.
That's the break for me as well.
Okay, now we're going into some trees. Oh, trees / hedges. As we start to go up. We could always do this in reverse.
Just head out the window and see what's going on. I've got the eyes for the death now. Lovely. I can't put a slide back in for some reason.
Oh, there's a really nice steep hilly bit for you.
Lovely, full sand.
There's quite some distance, but I can see it, and it does look a little bit more challenging.
Or straight for the middle, but you're probably better off sticking slightly on the right. Although, it'll be alright.
But I'm sure there's a bench in the trees, so I think that might be a good opportunity to have a drink or whatnot. Yeah. So I'll go up there
Lovely. Director Sam and tour guide Sam now. I see our bench. I see the bench.
There is a bit here you could go in if you want to reverse the left.
You can do.
That's cool.
That is cool, yeah.
Do you know what you think when you arrive?
Yeah, pull in on the left there.
Just be careful, there's a big wood piece here.
Yeah, I see all the wood buried in the grass. Can you get behind me there?
a good line. In fact, I would do the same, Ben.
The line on this bend, what's the line? It's far left of the big rock on the left hand side, it's left of it, to the right.
Which way am I going? Yeah, moving over. No worries. Hi there.
Nicely done. Top work, dude.
No worries.
All good so far.
On the move.
I've just had a full face of flies.
Going down.
Valves, the head, different cam, yeah. So yeah, different valves, different head, different cam. Alright.
So we are now parked up at the Three Trees Farm Shop in Marlborough, just for a bit of a loose stop and refreshments. Been on some lanes along the Ridgeway, sort of on the line of the Ridgeway. We've been across. Cars are doing very well. Tests of the Mobile CB, so the Thunderbolt TX, doing really well, way better, outperforming the Midland unit. Really impressed with the Thunderbolt. That's done really well, really clear voice clarity on that. So yeah, really pleased with that unit. That seems to be doing well. We are now going to leave the farm shop and head on some the usual lanes that we do around Marlborough, and yeah, come with us and hopefully get some more drone stuff out. The winds are dropped now. They did pick up earlier as we were on the top of the hills, but they've dropped loads now, so yeah, hope you're enjoying so far. Come with us, see you later. So the drone is now airborne, and now it's to make sure that we don't crash it. That's right, Sam, don't crash the drone.
camera here, what we're doing at the moment is, for the second time now, this is lane number 2. So we went out laning, what, a couple of weeks back, and Sam managed to hit the tree. We've now been out laning again, and we've been out with the drone, and the only tree along the lane, somewhere in there, is Sam's drone. Sounds low. Oh! Eyes on the drone.
Mind that tree.
You got a terrible.
Everything is fine, it's all working.
It's all working.